Yeah. So
Go on.
without further ado, let's look at the Kato.
Oh.
Yeah. We'll have a look at this.
All right. So we got in a couple of bits that we don't normally get. These are one of my favorite ways to package a model train set.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why?
Look how neat it is. Look how neat this is.
Let me just
flick me over.
Focus.
Flick us over.
Let me go out.
You dirty dog. What are you doing? Anyway, this is, I'm not going to attempt to pronounce it, but it's a Tokaido Uno Tokyo Line Suburban set.
Where are those two?
Well, you can get them as add-ons, which we also have.
Ah.
Okay. Yeah, and then that dude bought the other add-on set.
Ah,
yeah. But yeah, so this is just a start. Well, not a starter set. It's a good additional set to perhaps if you've already purchased a one set. Comes with the power car, as you can see under here. Zoom us in, Kobey, son. So you can see the gears there. So this is a power unit. This thing, like I've got the full 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's a 12 car set at home, and that powers it up and down the grades with no issues.
Yeah.
And it's really solid. And for an N scale model, you like
the detail is impeccable.
It's pretty good. And like that's the motor here.
Is it?
Yeah. So everything through the windows is still clear.
Oh, you see? Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So there's no like in a lot of like these like suburban sets and things like that. You can usually see the motor through the windows. Although these don't have interiors, which is a bit annoying.
That's right.
But that's okay. You can make it. Well, some of them do.
Have interiors?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah. Show the others.
So you got some little seats there for if you want to rest your lollies.
Okay. Sit on it.
Sit on it. Yeah. And then it's got a couple of extra spaces. So if you get the add-on sets, you can just pull the.
Oh yeah, you got the
headboards.
Face plates.
Yeah, so you can change the desto boards on them. You also get some stickers and stuff in some of these, but not this one apparently. Never mind.
Well done,
me. It's my first day. So we got that in. So I do want to get more of these. So depending on the popularity, I'd like to keep expanding the old
Kato range. We can only hope for HO to come in. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Not will. We've put the order in. We're waiting. We're waiting. So keep an eye out because HO. Wow, that was almost. HO is inevitable.
Yeah. Love to see it.
That's the wrong way around.
It's fine. It's fine. I'll fix it. But we also got this in. We haven't had this before. So this is an add-on for like your overhead sets. So it is a station. Now this is
there's one of those out near where you live.
Don't dox me.
In Warren Ponds.
But yeah, in Warren Ponds where I live. In Warren Ponds.
In Warren Ponds.
Don't dox me, dog.
What's this?
Ow. No, I'm kidding. So this is the station add-on. So it is a kit. So it is a pretty easy to assemble kit. Thanks, Cody. So it's still got the same, like, it's got all interior detail.
Oh, okay. Yeah, cool. I'm just going to go overhead. There you go. Oh, you can
scratch got your turnstiles and everything like that. Some more seating. That one can go in.
Simple.
But it comes with the sticker sets. Well, they're water
that's what
slides.
I was trying to show. Are they water slides? No, they're not. You got to cut them out.
Stickers?
Yeah, they're not. They're stickers. Peel the side.
Oh, no, don't do that.
Yeah, it's just a sticker.
Oh, it's a sticker. Even easier. So you got the stickers with the vending machines and everything like that on them. So this is a good like little weekend killer, little afternoon. Well, more than an afternoon. I think it'll take a little while.
Brother, that'll take like
assemble.
A month.
Yeah.
For me.
Yeah, because you're slow.
I am incredibly slow. I didn't even bring in what I'm working on.
Oh, cool. And yeah, so it's got everything in there to make a little extra station.
Meow. Sorry if I'm giving anyone epilepsy. Just trying to choose. There. No, we'll go this one. No, we'll go that one. Yep, cool. We're down there now.
Wonderful. So yeah, that's something different that we haven't had before. So this is a new item. It's not necessarily a new item in the Kato range, but it's a new item for us.
That's exactly right.
So I thought that would be a fun one to show everyone.
Yeah. It is. It is a good one. How big do you reckon it'd be?
It's like a meter long.
Show me with your arms. Cool. Is this one out the back as well?
No, this is the one I ordered in for me. But I had it on the floor just in case anyone else wants it first. It's like, I'll just get more.
Yeah, true.
It saves me doing it.
You didn't want to order 6?
I thought about it.
That's.
So yeah, the only thing it doesn't come with is track. So you do have to get the track for it.
Oh,
but it tells you which pieces you need, and if you want to do it with the center platform.
Wouldn't you just get like a V2 or something?
I think you can do it with. One of them.
Yeah, I think it's one of the V sets.
You can do it.
The turnout. I don't know what it's called. The split.
Yeah.
Split system.
So that's pretty fun. That can be used for the Shinkansen or for a suburban station.
That's really cool. Let's show the camera.
No.
Viaduct station kit.
So that's what we got. That came in this week.
That's so exciting. And a variety of other pieces as well.
Yep.
It's not just these two things that came in.
It's just we grabbed them just as we were running.
We just grabbed some of your most excitable things.